Welcome to the checkout guide. Today I will show you how to view and manage orders in Shopify. So if you are new to this channel, please subscribe, like, share, comment and press the bell icon. Let's get started. First go to the Shopify, then click on orders. Here you can see all orders with details. Then click on order. Here we can see all the details of products. So if the order is ready to ship, you can click on mark as fulfilled. Click on it. This is done to confirm that the order is shipped to the customer. So if you want to cancel the order, you can click on more action. You can delete the order. If you want to refund the amount, you can click the refund, then click the amount. Here click on refund. So this is how you can manage order easily. So this is how you can view, process, cancel and refund orders in Shopify. So if you like this video, please subscribe, like, share, comment and press the bell icon. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.